Now let us learn the round function with two arguments. In order to define a round function with two arguments, here goes the syntax. You have to use the keyword called as a round followed by two arguments separated by a comma, where the first argument x is specified as the number you want to round off, whereas d, the second argument, will be mentioning the decimal places you want to keep it in that x value. And here the d value can be given in three different ways. Okay, this d value can be a positive number, it can be a negative number, or it can be a 0. If d is 0, the result has no decimal point or fractional point. That is, when the second argument is given as a 0, this round function works similar to our round function with a single argument. Let us see one example. Round of 123.45 comma 0, we are writing. The output of this function will be similar to the round function 123.45 with a single argument itself. How? Let us see here. Just run the MySQL prompt. So let us run the same function here. Select. So whenever you want to run these functions, you have to use select clause itself. So round 123.45. First let us see with a single argument, as we have learned this function earlier. So let us see the output of this. So what the answer you got? 123. Okay, like 4 is less than 5, so nothing is added to its precedence, so you will be getting only 123. And let's try with the two arguments, that is 123.45 comma 0. 0 indicates that there should not be any decimal part for the given number. So whatever the decimal part is there, the rule what you are applying for a single argument function, the same rule here also it will be applying, and it will be removing off the decimal part after cross checking it. So the output of this function will be similar to the output of the previous case. Let us see. The same output you got, that is 123. Now let us try with some more examples. Like here, if I give it as 65, 123.65 comma 0. So what can be the output of this statement? Guess. Right. It will be 124, as 6 is greater than 5. So automatically 1 will be added to its precedence and you will be getting the result as 124. With a single argument, we will try the same function. You will be getting the same result. Hope this is clear. So round function with a single argument and a round function with a double argument where second argument is 0 works as same. So whatever the rules you are applying for a round function as a single argument, the same rule will be applied for the round function with a double argument, while the second argument will be 0. Thank you.